So some people think that homeschoolers are unsocialized weirdos who wear nothing but denim skirts, do school in their pajamas, and raise farm animals. Well, they're not completely wrong. But let's talk about why some of these stereotypes make homeschooling amazing. Hey guys, Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. Let's break these stereotypes down one by one. Stereotype number one, homeschoolers do school in their pajamas. Yeah, pretty much my kids don't have to change out of their clothes if they don't want to, or unless we are going somewhere. And if I have no one coming over, I'm probably in my house, clothes or my pajamas as well. But guess what? Comfort actually helps children learn and focus. Plus, not being part of a rigid school schedule helps us to start our day in a relaxing way, which helps us want to learn even more. See, freedom to learn in a comfortable and relaxed environment makes homeschooling more of a lifestyle rather than something that you have to endure for 7 hours. Stereotype number two, homeschoolers don't have social skills. So maybe our kids don't know to raise their hand to use a bathroom or how to stand in a straight line when they're in a group, but they have plenty of experience in socializing with people of all different ages. I find that homeschool kids are actually a lot more comfortable talking with adults and with other kids of different ages than public school kids are. And I'm speaking from experience. So I do have a daughter who is in high school, and she is socialized like a homeschooler. So she has tons of friends and fantastic social skills, and she's very personable, and all of the adults love her. But some of her friends who I love, and not her friends particularly, but some of the people that I've met through her don't have the same social skills that she does. The friends that she has, that she keeps close, they're wonderful. I don't want you girls to get offended. I love you and your social skills are fantastic. Instead of socializing with 30 other kids that are their age, homeschoolers learn to talk to and socialize with babies, younger kids, older kids, adults, literally all kinds of other people, and a lot more often than other kids who are not homeschooled get to. So this actually helps them better thrive in the real world. Stereotype number three, homeschooling moms are over the top with education. Yes, I think that a lot of us are guilty of that. We find educational opportunities everywhere we go, all day long, not just during the school hours. Like, everything is a lesson. I mean, we're pretty excited about learning and teaching our kids. We do a lot of research on the curriculum and books, and we buy like everything and try all kinds of things out because we actually care what our kids are being taught, what they're learning, and how they're learning. So that means that our kids are not just memorizing facts for a test. They're actually getting education tailored to their learning styles, their interests, their strengths, while working on their weaknesses as well. And this makes learning exciting and meaningful. Stereotype number four, homeschoolers are always with their family. Yes, I think this is like the best part of homeschooling, is that I get to be with my kids all the time. I mean, I've been to stores where kids who are going shopping for school with their parents, these kids are so misbehaved. I swear this happens every school year, where there's kids tantruming and screaming in the shopping carts, and the parents are like dying for those kids to go back to school. But I don't think many of us homeschoolers have that same problem, because we're with them all the time. We're able to train up their character on a daily basis, every minute of the day. So I think that a lot of homeschoolers are very well behaved. So instead of growing up in a family that you only get to spend a couple of hours a day each week with, we're actually creating really strong bonds with each other, with their siblings, that are gonna last forever. And before you ask, yes, we do get breaks from each other. Stereotype number six, homeschoolers are different or weird. Yeah, they are different. I wouldn't say weird. It depends on, I mean, there are some weird kids out there, but how many weird public school kids are there out there? Answer that one. How many kids do you see? Or, you know what, I'm not even going to get into that. But I've seen a lot of weird kids at the malls. And I've seen some weird homeschooling kids as well. But the reason that some people think the homeschoolers are weird is because our kids don't follow the norm. They don't follow the norm in style and the way they speak and their haircuts. They basically do what feels right to them, what they like, what they may see and enjoy, and they don't have to follow suit of what everybody else is doing, whether they like that style or not. They're not going to get made fun of for being who they are. Homeschoolers are allowed to be themselves, and when they go to a homeschool co-op, everybody's just themselves. There's no one competing and in looks or anything like that, so everyone can just get along and be friends unless you don't like each other's personality. When kids are allowed to be themselves, it allows them to be passionate and compassionate about life, about other people, and to grow to be confident and independent thinkers. So embrace the homeschool life. Are homeschool stereotypes true? Sometimes they are kind of true, but instead of these stereotypes being negative, they are actually what makes homeschooling awesome. Which stereotype have you heard of the most? Do you have someone in your life who is completely against homeschooling? Maybe you should forward this video over to them. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, keep doing what you're doing. Forget about the haters. You know what's best for your child. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more encouraging videos like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video.